Hi, I'm Shannon Sears, and I want to change the way that people get divorced in Texas. I want to make it less damaging for you as a couple, and also if you have children, I want to protect your children in the process.
It's critical in the process of ending a significant relationship where there are children involved to do it in a way that facilitates a co-parent relationship moving forward. What we know is that litigation, by its very nature, tears down and disintegrates the co-parenting relationship. Collaborative law offers parents the ability to set aside the relationship as husband and wife, as partners, and move towards just co-parenting. And by nature of doing that, we know that statistics show that children fare much better. How parents do this when they're divorcing literally has an impact on their children's future, not only while they're children, but also as adults when they begin to form their own significant relationships.
You don't start out your marriage wanting to get divorced. Sometimes it's your only option. Collaborative law is a team approach that helps you through the process to minimize the financial damage.
Even when there are no children involved, I know that there's money involved. And because there's money involved, there's a huge amount of emotion that's tied to that.
The litigation process often fuels anger that's not always helpful. In collaborative law, I work with clients so that they're able to set aside that anger and reach the best possible settlement.
When we start going through a divorce, when we start making those decisions to move forward through divorce, sometimes the easiest emotion to tap into is the anger. And very few people can move past that while they're going through divorce. It's very difficult for a person going through one of the most difficult times in their lives to set aside the anger and feel the emotions that are behind that, which are sadness, loss of the dream, despair, confusion, and betrayal sometimes. Collaborative law asks people to set aside that anger long enough to work through one of the most difficult times in their lives.
Emotions can get in the way of making the most rational choices. The collaborative approach keeps you focused on what's important.
When I'm in the collaborative meetings and I'm observing the clients going through one of the most difficult times in their lives, I'm very aware that any type of extreme emotions could cause some very damaged and hurt feelings to arise. So my goal is specifically to keep the process safe for everyone involved.
I'm going to guide you through this process so the anger doesn't get in the way. I'm going to keep you focused on the future and a new beginning.
And keeping people from jumping into their anger emotion, it allows them to go to a deeper level and really have the opportunity to express the pain and the hurt and the disappointment and the loss of a dream in an appropriate manner in a business meeting.
Collaborative law is kinder, gentler, and in fact a smarter way to get divorced.
Traditionally, litigation has modeled for society, for families, for individuals, for businesses. The way that we resolve conflict is by tearing people apart, by tearing them down, and by pointing out all the negative things about them. Collaborative law offers people the opportunity to show humanity, society, friends, family members, co-workers, how we can resolve conflict without tearing down other human beings.
I want to help you and your spouse get through this divorce in the best possible way for you and your children. If collaborative law sounds like the right approach for you, I want you to call me.